Connecting BG meter. Setting up the Accu-Chek Guide link meter. The MiniMed 780G insulin pump with smart device connectivity can pair only with an Accu-Chek Guide link meter to automatically receive blood glucose BG readings. Pairing the pump and meter. The MiniMed 780G insulin pump with smart device connectivity can pair up to 4 Accu-Chek Guide link meters. To prepare the meter to pair with the pump, press the OK button on the meter to turn on the meter. Select Settings. Select Wireless. Select Yes if the confirmation screen appears on the meter screen, or if the confirmation screen does not appear, select Pairing. The meter serial number appears on the meter screen. The meter is now ready to pair with the pump. To prepare the pump to pair with the meter, from the home screen, press Select and then select Pair Devices. Select Pair New Device. The searching screen appears. After the pump is done searching, the Select Device screen appears. Select the meter that matches the serial number that displays on the meter screen. If the correct serial number does not appear, select Search again. If the serial numbers shown on the pump screen and meter screen match, select Confirm. Press the Back button if the serial number is incorrect. If the connection is successful, a Pairing Successful message appears on the pump. A Paired with Pump message with the serial number of the pump appears on the meter screen.